Hello guys, welcome back to our channel eGames, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can keep your Fortnite from crashing all the time. So firstly, head over to this icon right here, go here and click on settings, go down below a bit and you will see the graphics quality options, and in here keep everything to low, and also if you can decrease your 3D resolution by a bit, and that will help you in gaining a bit of FPS and keep your game from crashing. If that doesn't still help, exit out of the game and go over to Epic Games Launcher, and in here go over to library, and in Fortnite click on three dots and click on manage, and in here verify your files and click on verify, and in installation click on the folder option right here, and in Fortnite game click on binaries Win64 and click on easy anti-cheat Camu, and after that click on easy anti-cheat setup, click on yes, and in here select the current game 217 and click on repair service. After you have done that, your game should stop from crashing a bit, and it will help you in playing the game smoothly. So thank you for watching guys. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also comment down below what video you guys would want us to cover next, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.